Kia too technical. So as you can see, I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. I picked this up and we're going to just unbox it, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of what it looks like and get this set up and ready to go. So I'm just pulling off the tabs on the Samsung box just like that. And now I'm going to open up the box so we can get to the device. As you can see, you are greeted with the watch face only. And now I am looking through the information. So pretty much you just get your manual and your wireless charging cable inside of this box. And I'm just going to put those things to the side right now. I don't need that. And now we're going to get back to the watch. So I'm just checking it out. It does look nice. This is the 40mm watch. So I'm just seeing if there's anything else in the watch, which is the watch band. It's in the box at the bottom. So I'm just going to take the watch band out and get it installed on my watch. So this is the band that came with the watch. I can get more watch bands if that's something that I want to do, and I will do that on a later date. But right now I'm just going to try to connect the watch to the watch band. So you just want to find the groove and clip it in. And I love this clip. It's a lot easier to do than the older watches that Samsung had came out with. This is an easier way to clip it. I was kind of struggling right here to get this one to clip because I was doing this at an awkward angle, but I kept working with it, and as you can see, it keeps coming apart, but I'll get it clipped here in a minute. So just take your time, and just like that, I have it clipped. It looks good. This is like the blackish gray color. It'll go good with my Z Fold 7. Now I'm going to turn the device on and see if we have any power so we can get this thing connected to my Galaxy Z Fold 7. I'm going to sit it down. Now I'm going to pick up my Z Fold 7 so I can get this connected right away. So just give me a moment while I let the watch come on. I like the smaller 40mm. There's the charging cable. I wish Samsung would get rid of this because you cannot do wireless charging with these old-fashioned cables that they are coming out with. But that is how you would charge your device only. And now the watch is fully turned on. It's telling me to connect it to my Z Fold 7 Wear app. So that is what I'm going to do right here. Picking up the app. I'm going to get everything connected. Now I need to get rid of my Galaxy Watch FE because I no longer use that watch anymore. And so that is what I'm doing. I'm deleting it. Now that it's deleted, now I can connect my new Galaxy Watch 8 with the Z Fold 7. So I'm going to go back into the app, and as you can see, it's telling me the steps that I need to do to get this device connected. So I'm going to get this connected, and I'll be back.